Today, we're gonna be making some creamy habanero salsa. For this recipe, you're gonna need 6 habanero peppers, half a cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3/4 cups of water, and salt to taste. In your air fryer, go ahead and place your habaneros in there, and we're gonna go ahead and air fry these, and we're looking to get the tops and bottoms charred. So halfway through, we're gonna go ahead and flip those over. I suggest opening your windows when you're cooking your peppers and also exhausting your fan because you can get some irritation from those peppers. All right, those are getting nice and crispy. We're gonna go ahead and flip those and continue cooking. All right, so our peppers are finished. We're gonna go ahead and add those to our blender. And then we're gonna add our 3/4 of a cup of water to this. And then we're gonna add our garlic. And then we're just gonna cover and blend until smooth. Okay, so after it is all smooth, let's go ahead, we're gonna open this up and we're gonna turn it on and we're gonna slowly add our oil into it. That is really gonna make this super creamy. We're just gonna put it kind of on a low. We're gonna slowly add our oil. All right, so we got that all nice and blended. It is super creamy. So at this point, you can go ahead and taste it and see if it needs any salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit. And then we're just gonna blend that back up. Here is our creamy habanero salsa, you guys. Look how delicious and creamy this looks. And boy, does it have a nice kick to it. If you wanna know how to make some creamy avocado salsa, click on the video link right here.